So this is Petey, and Petey is getting an Erchonia Laser treatment for chronic pneumonia. He gets treatments twice a week, and he's been getting treatments for many months now. And Mom's going to talk a little bit about why she thinks it's been a good thing for Petey. Take it.
Well, before he started getting them, he had a really bad cough from his collapsing trachea, and that also led into him getting chronic pneumonia. It seemed like he was on antibiotics more than he was off of antibiotics. And so we started doing this just to help with inflammation and make him feel better. We also started on some supplements to help his immune system. And it seems to really be helping him a lot. I tried to stretch him out to every 4 or 5 days for the treatments, and his cough came back more, so I learned my lesson, and no, we come twice a week. We don't try to go every 5 days. But he's very good for it. He just sits here and he knows there's a cookie at the end, which is what Petey lives for, is the cookies.
And the Erchonia is good for the chronic inflammation that we're trying to get control of. So that's why he comes so frequently, and that's it.
Okay, Erchonia is a class 2 medical grade laser. It has FDA approval for many different things. It's a great treatment. We have a different laser too that we use for other things, but as you can see, this is very simple, and then we're not touching the pot, and it's very low stress. If you'd like to learn more information about that, please call us at 630-289-2288.